index of the product or quotient of two numbers. See here two examples are given. First is 2 multiplied by 3 bracket raised to 4. See here bracket is given. 2 multiplied by 3 bracket raised to 4. Means 2 multiplied by 3. This is how many times? 4 times. Now see 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Why 4 times? Because indices is 4. Suppose we are removing all these brackets. After removing all these brackets, now 2, 2, 2, 2. How many times? 4 times. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3 are there. That's why 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 raised to 4. How many times are 2 there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why 2 raised to 4 multiply by. Multiplication is there, then give the sign of multiplication. Multiply by 3. How many times are 3 there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means write down 3 raised to 4. One more example. 4 upon 5 raised to 3. Means 4 upon 5. This term is how many times? 3 times. Then write down 4 upon 5. This term 3 times. 4 upon 5 multiply by 4 upon 5 multiply by 4 upon 5. Now see, write down the numerator and denominator. 4 multiply by 4 multiply by 4. How many times 4 are there? 1, 2, 3. And 5, 1, 2, 3. Means 4 raised to 3 divided by 5 raised to 3. Means from these two examples, what we have learned, if a and b are non-zero rational numbers and m is an integer, then a multiplied by b bracket raised to m is equal to a raised to m multiplied by b raised to m. See here 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 raised to 4. Means a multiplied by b bracket raised to m is equal to a raised to m multiplied by b raised to m. Similarly from second example, a upon b bracket raised to m is equal to a raised to m divided by b raised to m. Now next rule, a raised to m bracket raised to n, that is the power of a number in a index form. First example, 5 raised to 2 bracket raised to 3. Now how to read this? 5 raised to 2 bracket is given, then read that 5 raised to 2 bracket raised to 3. Means 5 raised to 2, this term is how many times? 3 times. 5 raised to 2, this term write down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now if multiplication is there, means you add the indices. 2 means 5 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Means your answer is 5 raised to 6. If you skip this step, it's also okay. Next example, 7 raised to minus 2 bracket raised to minus 5. See here indices is negative. For making this indices positive, what we are doing? We are writing, how to write this? 1 upon 7 raised to minus 2 bracket raised to 5. Means our term is 1 upon 2 raised to minus 2 bracket raised to 5. Means 1 upon, now see 7 raised to minus 2. How many times write down this term? 5 times. Why 5 times? Because index is 5. 7 raised to minus 2 write down is 5 times. Now 1 upon 7 raised to minus 2 multiply by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1 upon 7. Now minus 2 multiply by 5. 5 to the 10 and sign is minus sign. Means your answer is 1 upon 7 raised to minus 10. Now this 7 raised to minus 10, we are taking this term here. Then your answer is 7 raised to 10. This negative number converts into positive number when we are taking in numerator. Means from this example we get a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. Next example, 2 upon 5 raised to minus 2 bracket raised to 3 means 2 upon 5 raised to minus 2. Write down this term 3 times, 1, 2, 3 times. Now 2 upon 5 raised to, multiply minus 2 3 times. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. See, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and plus sign is there. Now I am writing here, see, minus 2 plus minus 2. No, minus 2 plus minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 2. Answer is minus minus plus and give the sign of minus, means minus 4. And this plus minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2. Answer is, do the addition, 4 plus 2 6 and give the sign negative. Means minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2. Answer is minus 6. Means 2 upon 5 raised to minus 6. Means a raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to a raised to m up to n times. Means a raised to m multiply by n. ये इन दोनों का इंडेक्सेस का हम क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लिकेशन. From the above examples we get the following rule. From which rule we get, if a is a non-zero rational number and m and n are integers, then a raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to a raised to m multiplied by n, means a raised to m n. Indices, if a is a non-zero number and m and n are integers, then a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. See, you have to learn or remember all these rules because all the problems are based on this rule. If you know the rule, then this is easier this is easier to solve the problems. See, a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. If multiplication is there, you add the indices. If division is there, subtract the indices. If raised to 1 is there, means that number itself. If raised to 0 means your answer is 1. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. A into b bracket raised to m means a raised to m multiplied by b raised to m. A upon b bracket raised to m means a raised to m upon b raised to m. A raised to mn means you multiply the indices, means a raised to mn. A upon b bracket raised to minus m, you can make the multiplicative inverse. All of you know multiplicative inverse means write the denominator in numerator and numerator in denominator. Means a upon b bracket raised to minus m is equal to b upon a bracket raised to m.